common relay in HVAC applications. Here's your spring, and this fits down in the spring. The spring is a guide, and this fits down. And well, you notice this right here, that's where your control voltage will come in, energizing this magnet at the bottom. When the bottom magnet is energized, this little metal piece here gets pulled down, and when it gets pulled down, as you can see, there's some contacts here. One set of contacts, these contacts are constantly closed until the magnet is energized. When the magnet is energized, these contacts become open, and it closes the two on the very left and the two on the very right. Yeah, man, this is like a really part that's been giving me trouble in my HVAC career, so I figured I could do something maybe to help other guys. But anyway, this is where your control voltage comes in, your 24 volts to energize this. And hopefully this will help somebody, because it's something you gotta know. It really helps to know, you know, what's your control voltage and which is your primary and secondary. But you gotta know it.